Champion Trading. If you're in the cosmetic business or you're doing anything that's a hot pour or molten type filling, this is an all stainless steel small chill table. And while we're talking, I want to show you here, we've got some water just to test it. You'll see it's starting to frost over. We're running it right now. I'm going to put a little bit of water on the top. And while we're going through the machine, let's see how quickly that comes up. As I mentioned, it's all stainless steel construction. It does have, this is a solid sealed drip tray. In the corner is one small drain. It's using a, let me just get around this side for you here. On the front here, Jim, if you can show us, this is a small temperature controller by Sun. It has a adjustment right here to adjust your temperature. It's running at C right now, and we're going below freezing. On, off, there is a dial here to set it, and a set control to set your set point. Like I mentioned, it's all stainless. It's also on wheels. It's a small self-contained chiller underneath it. Come around the back here, Jim. We've good, clean condition, running very smoothly and quiet. And you're going to see that the water is actually starting to freeze already. Doesn't take long, especially when there's no load on a unit like this. We have quite a few of these in our stock. You'll find them under our refrigeration section on our website at www.champtrading.com. We have lots of equipment for the cosmetic industry and related industries, as well as all the sanitary industries and processing packaging. So we do hope you'll visit us on our site or call us here in Marlborough, New Jersey at Champion Trading. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks.